In today's video, we're covering the early signs of pregnancy. If you're curious about what to look for in those first few weeks, stay tuned as we break down the key symptoms. Let's jump in. 1. Missed period. Missed period is one of the very first symptoms of pregnancy for those who become pregnant. This happens when fertilization between egg and sperm is complete and the body starts producing the HCG hormone. However, missed periods can also be caused by stress, hormonal imbalances, extreme dieting, PMS syndrome, or excessive exercise. Individuals suspecting pregnancy during this early stage should undergo a pregnancy test to detect the presence of the HCG hormone and confirm the pregnancy. Pregnant women may notice pregnancy symptoms within the first 1 to 2 weeks after missing their period. 2. Morning sickness, nausea, and vomiting. Morning sickness is one of the first signs and symptoms of pregnancy, usually occurring between 2 and 8 weeks after conception, and is a very common symptom for the majority of pregnant women. Morning sickness manifests as nausea, vomiting, and loss of appetite, as well as headaches and dizziness. 3. Tender breasts, swollen breasts, or breast changes. These are the very first symptoms of pregnancy, appearing 2 to 3 days after conception. The symptoms will be similar to those experienced before menstruation, marked by a sense of fullness and tingling in the breasts. 4. Frequent urination. You might find yourself urinating more often than usual. The amount of blood in your body increases during pregnancy, causing your kidneys to process extra fluid that ends up in your bladder. The urine may exhibit a darker hue, appearing orange or brown. 5. Fatigue. No one knows for certain what causes sleepiness during the first trimester of pregnancy. However, a rapid rise in the levels of the hormone progesterone during early pregnancy might contribute to fatigue. 6. Light spotting. Light spotting might be one of the first signs of pregnancy. Known as implantation bleeding, it happens when the fertilized egg attaches to the lining of the uterus, about 10 to 14 days after conception, resulting in spotting or vaginal bleeding during pregnancy without abdominal pain or cramping. Implantation bleeding occurs around the time you would expect to have a menstrual period. However, not all pregnant women experience this spotting or light vaginal bleeding. 7. Mood swings or moodiness. Hormonal changes contribute to unpredictable shifts in mood, resulting in mood swings such as sadness, anxiety, emotional roller coasters, heightened irritability, sensitivity, frequent anger, feelings of joy, delight, and satisfaction. 8. Bloating. Hormonal changes during early pregnancy can cause you to feel bloated, similar to how you might feel at the start of a menstrual period. 9. Cramping. Cramping is one of the first signs and symptoms of pregnancy, occurring approximately 1 to 2 weeks after conception. There will be pain, sharp pain, or cramping in the lower abdomen near the uterus, similar to menstrual cramps. However, severe lower abdominal pain or cramping pain on only one side may be caused by an ectopic pregnancy or other complications. It is important to seek medical attention to evaluate the symptoms. 10. Food aversion, food cravings. Food aversion, or food cravings, are signs and symptoms of pregnancy in which a pregnant woman may notice changes in her appetite, such as feeling hungry all the time, as well as unexplained cravings or unwillingness to eat certain foods, such as sour food or sour fruit, or an unexplained desire to eat strange foods or things that are not food, such as soil or paper. Individuals may find themselves liking or disliking foods previously unappealing or favored. 11. Headache and dizziness. Headache and dizziness are among the early signs and symptoms of pregnancy, caused by hormonal changes in the body as well as increased blood circulation. 12. Acute sense of smell. A pregnant woman will be quickly sensitive to smells or changing senses of smell, just like changing the taste of food. They may be extremely sensitive to certain odors, even if they did not previously exhibit symptoms such as feeling sick or being unable to tolerate familiar scents. Other signs and symptoms of pregnancy include vaginal discharge, constipation, shortness of breath, heartburn, backache, and acne. So these are some signs of early pregnancy. But remember, only pregnancy tests can help confirm pregnancy, as missed periods may not always be a sign or symptom of pregnancy, as the absence of menstruation can be caused by stress or hormonal imbalances, whereas nausea, dizziness, or vomiting can be caused by an intestinal virus. The most accurate way to confirm pregnancy is to get a pregnancy test. Pregnancy test can provide results within 1 minute and can 100% confirm the pregnancy result. If you like this video, then please subscribe to get more updates.